So heading up here at Tangoy International Airport, Philippine Airlines, see in Manila, and all good actually. Even my baggage exists 18 kilograms. Oh my G, 4,000 plus. But thanks God, He's always with me, like giving me the best ever guidance. And thank you for those people who helping and extending their help. Salamat po ng buong puso. I'm so much grateful and thankful because I saved money from 4,000 to 400. And it's really a big save. So mga kahalaman, see you around Manila, Makati, and I hope we're doing fine and safe. Ayan. So we're heading to Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines. So this is one of the biggest airlines across, flying through the air. So see you, mga kahalaman, and there you go. Here I am. Charot tusok, no? So ayan. To my asawa, Robo Lardy. Soon as we will be soon as. So I'm bound into PR. The Philippine restriction 1820 will be departing at this moment. No, so time check. It's getting 7:11 to 12 in the evening, and yeah. In an hour, we'll be back again, Manila. So here's the head of our truck. We are seated at the 65G. 65G, actually, it's medyo early ngayon yung ating departure for today's video, mga kahalamin. And ayan, shout out sa lahat sa aking asawa, Robert Lardio, always with me. Trying to call me same with I do pero wala lang signal. So I'll get back to you, my asawa, after entering the aircraft of the Philippine Airlines, and we're heading here. So just my passport, my cutie baby, and later on CUQC or Quezon City, Manila. We will be heading and preparing for the makeover. Ayan, kaninong buhay. Laban lang for the love. And for today's video, let's get inside for 5 minutes video. And there you go. We are at this new B65G. 65G tayo, letter B. Let's see how it works. And, yung ihabangan natin yung mga natin, stewardess. Ano tawag sa lalaki? Charis. For today, nakalimutan ko na, no? Charurut. So, ang alam ko lang sa babae, stewardess or steward. Charis, tama ba? For today's video, nakakahalaman. Thank you sa ating security, no? For being with us, securing the place, and the people who are entering inside the crowd. Kamusta mga kahalaman? Actually, mga dala tayong mga fresh durian. And kung sino na makakatikim for the love for today's video. So we're home magagat. Charis lang. Hi, good evening. Ayan, gaganda for today's video, mga kahalaman. So we're heading inside the Philippine Airlines craft.
Hi, welcome aboard.
Hi, thank you, Miss Wendeline. Charurut Tusok. Ayan. So, heading up inside the Philippine Airlines. So there you go. Malaki talaga ang Philippine Airlines, ang ating PAL. So, I love this. Kasi nung nag-drama tayo before, no? So, nag-Air Asia tayo. So, medyo maliit yung Air Asia. But you can see PAL, it's really big. Ito ata yung special nila, no? Kaya VIP for today's video. As soon as we'll be together, my asawa, and 65J for today's video, mga kahalaman. Ayan. I'm so happy kasi yun, di ba? Sense of crying. Charot. So, we're heading to 42. Medyo sa likod tayo, no, for today's video. Pero laban 45. Medyo konti lang yung sumakay ngayon. So, baka susuluhin na ating upuan, no, for today's video. So, nasa 51 na tayo. 51. Ayan, nasa 65J tayo for today's. Medyo maraming grupo ng 65J. So, the more the merrier. Cherry! Ayan, mga kahalaman, is getting 6 minutes now. So, let's see how it works. Still looking for my place to be fitted. Ayan, so sino kaya makakatabi natin for today's video. So, meron tayong outside hand carry na bagahe, no? So, ayan. Charurut. So, papunta natin ng Mindanao, wala tayong mga hand carry nila. Pero ngayon dahil nga nabudilyaso ang 18 kilograms exist. So, magka-hand carry tayo for today's video. Ay, nakastock tayo ngayon sa 621. So, let's read B, 65J. B is 65J for today's video. Ayan, KJ. Kita ko sa B. Okay. This is B now. Hi. B. So, let's see.